Hi, how to load Cash App card at the Dollar General store. To deposit fundamental onto your Cash App card, you can conventionally do so at Dollar General or 7-Eleven stores. Here are the steps to follow. First, ensure that you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device and that you are logged into your account. Once you are on the app's home screen, you will find the button labeled Add Cash. Click on this option and input the amount of cash that you wish to deposit into your account. This process is quick and hassle-free. Afterwards, the Cash App will display a roster of nearby participating vendors, including Dollar General and 7-Eleven, based on your location. Choose the store that you intend to go to. Upon reaching the store, inform the cashier of the sum you want to deposit into your Cash App account and pay in cash. The cashier will handle the transaction and the fundamental will be promptly added to your Cash App account. You can verify your balance on the Cash App at any amount and utilize it to execute payment or transfer it to your bank account. It's a confident way to add fundamental to your account without having to go to the bank. Be aware that some stores may have a limit on the amount you can load to your card. And also, it's important to note that not all stores may participate in this service, so it's a good idea to check a store website or call ahead to confirm. With the Cash App, you can easily manage your money on the go and enjoy the confidence of being able to add fundamental at any participating stores.